Guys, we are off the grid for the weekend.
This is nice. It's just design.
Alright guys, we are out here at a cabin. Off the grid. We don't even have a signal out here. Look at all this nature. I'm good. How you doing?
Good. Oh man, we took the dogs on a walk all the way down the whole creek this morning. All right, you got the keys.
Oh, wow, look at all these little.
I know they have 10 acres out here. It's so pretty. I know all these little.
Yeah.
So what was really creepy was right over there on that little cement thing.
Yeah. What is
chair
that?
Over there?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Busy.
Oh man, this is. I have never thought I'd be out here. This is cool. So peaceful. Out here in nature.
Yeah.
Mountain laurel. And they'll have like white flowers all over springtime.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's really nice and homey. That's Jasmine. Say hey, Jasmine. Here's the kitchen. Got the bathroom, bedroom, washer and dryer. It's Odie.
She is begging me.
Guys, it's dark out here. It's extra dark. We just leaving from the cabin. But it's extra dark out here. But we had an awesome time.
Great time. All this nature.